Hey, y'all. What's going on? What's going on, saints and ain'ts? I just came on real quick just to give you an update on this wig. Why? Because y'all want to know how it holds up. Now, you may not see it all the time because what you see are usually different styles for me. But when I'm doing something, when I'm out and about, when I'm traveling, when I'm blase, if I'm wearing a wig, a lot of times it's going to be this wig. I love this wig. As a matter of fact, I have two of them because I wanted two different lengths. Okay, I just did. The reason for this update is because this wig is expensive, y'all. It just is what it is. It's going to cost a coin. This is a full lace human hair boho braid wig. Okay, so it's not going to be the same price as synthetic. It's not. It is not. Okay, so if you're going to spend that type of money, y'all want to know how it's holding up. Y'all want to know, like, hey, is it worth the coin? Absolutely. Like, I'm on my second one. I'm probably going to get another length, y'all, on down the line. I love these wigs. This is so beautiful. You can come up out the water because it's human hair. Don't forget now.
Y'all trying to come up out the water or no?
Huh? I am. It's holding up wonderfully, guys. A matter of fact, I'm getting ready to go out. My parents are in town, so we getting ready to go out, hang out with them, with the fam. And yeah, like Montel prophesied, this is how we do it. Sha-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Huh? It's not Friday night, but I feel all right. Huh? Come on now. I'm just letting you know, these beautiful human hair curls. You could come up out the water with these curls. These are human hair braids. I even think the braids are human hair, y'all. I think this is like fully human hair. So, it has to be in my arsenal. This is glueless. You can wear it glueless, but because I'm going to be out and about, I decided to just lay it a little bit. I spray it right here. I kind of left the ear tab kind of up a little bit so that you can see, but that's my own ear tab. I just shaped it to where it's my own. But if you need it to be glued down, depending on your activities, glue that sucker down, okay? It takes a couple sprays of this melt and slay right here, okay? You can do two. I only did one spray across because, you know, this is just for traveling up and down the road. Sometimes I do two. It just depends, okay? Sometimes you don't even need it tacked down, so you don't have to do it, okay? It is glueless. So just so y'all know, it's holding up beautifully. It's holding up wonderfully. There's no other way that I can say that, okay? And it's full lace, y'all. Now, eventually, I am going to go in with the perfect line Swiss, probably, just because, you know, I may want to be snazzy with it. You could pull this up. You could pull it back. You can do a little, it just depends on how you coming at it in your life. Okay, so yes, that is the update that y'all have been asking for. Do I feel like it is worth the coins? Yes, I totally do. And the price does fluctuate depending on the length that you choose, okay? So it just depends on how ignorant you're trying to be on the length, okay? And I just do a little swoop, but you can swoop it to any side with pride. You could do all of that. You could put it up. You could do all of that, okay? You can do all of it. I'm just chilling today. I just decided to get a little snazzy. So yes, y'all, it's beautiful. It's holding up very well, and I love it. I hope this helps in your decision making. I just came to give you the update, okay? I'll be back. All right. Peace, love, light.